Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to change background on one slide only on your PowerPoint presentation. So as you can see, I have here a specific template for all of my slides. So first, go to design and then make sure that the slide you want to change background with is selected, and then go choose the template you want to use for this specific slide. Right click and then apply to selected slides. So as you can see, the background is only changed for the selected slide. Now let's do this again and try other slides, and as you can see, it also changed the background of a specific slide. So that's it guys, that's how you change the background of one slide on PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.